when it's coming, when the flood in that part of the park.
Mm-hmm.
You wanted to get a video of it before?
As it's happening.
Emergency tent-like contraptions they carry, but the flames were too ferocious. You don't have to tell Chuck Overmeyer how dangerous this fire is. He lost his home to the flames and was lucky to get out alive.
Within 2 minutes, I'd say if we waited another 2 or 3 minutes, we wouldn't have got out of there. It was that fast.
Why was it Chuck in the
For the displaced.
If we were at Grandma's house, this wouldn't be happening like that.
I don't know.
Or can it still rain up by them? Can it still rain up by them?
Mm-hmm.
A memorial service will be held this evening at a monument built in their memory in Fairmount Park. If not a miracle on the Hudson, it was certainly a job well done. 23-year-old Michael Stewart is being praised for his calm under pressure, as the sightseeing helicopter he was piloting yesterday lost power. He deployed the pontoons and made a safe landing on the water near 85th Street. He and his 4 passengers, tourists from Sweden, were not hurt. A boater took them to shore. The Obamas are in Tanzania today.
If you don't touch the bleed, it won't bleed. It will. No, it won't. It'll still bleed even if you touch it or not. But if you keep scratching it when it's bleeding, it's going to start bleeding more. Get it on your forehead, your chin, your cheek, your hand. Where? You want one? Victoria's sticking up her middle finger.
Quite good.
Why? Victoria, stick up her middle finger. Victoria, stick her middle finger out. Today, under the umbrella, it would be a good day to try out my race car in that flood, in that park. And see if it's proof. It would be proof. And then we'll know or not if it is. Wait, remember the other time when there's a flood in the park?
You remember that?
Yeah. And you tried it out. Yeah, it works in the water.
Uh-huh.
And I bet that is all mud right there. Bet that's all turning into mud. Do you think a giant mud puddle? If that is a giant mud puddle, Peppa Pig would just keep splashing in it. If Peppa Pig was real. Wait, what if someone had a pet pig? What if someone had a pet pig? Gross. Clap your hand. Astronaut. Astronaut. Much. If you want yourself to that is quite a fantasy. Even the flood in the park, it's getting closer
It is indeed.
and deeper. This stuff actually turned into a mud pool.
It might.
Daddy, here. This goes for you.
Come on. Now let's see if I'm going to be able to get around the corner here and get out of here, if I'm going to have to take the scenic route.
If you can what? How did that guy?
Where'd he come from? Did he walk through the water, you think?
Yeah.
He just came in the park.
Yeah, I think he walked through the water.
Let's see what it looks around the corner. I don't know if we're going to be able to get through. Let's see what it looks like up ahead. Oh boy, doesn't look pretty. Let's see what the street sweeper looks like. Oh boy, he's sweeping up that water.
It looks like he's making
Ooh-wee.
more.
I don't know if I should drive through that. What do you think?
Yeah. If that's the way we have to go, yeah.
Well, we could always go a different way. We don't have to go that way. And I think it's probably in our best interest not to go that way.
Yeah, because it's so floody.
It's so floody. That is correct. The park just started flooding, so it's so floody.
It might be flooding the other way.
Could be.
And then we'd have to go either way. If it's not flooding the other way, we can go that way. If this is the only way, we have to go this way. Is there any other way?
And the street sweeper sticking to his duties is going to keep sweeping that street. Doesn't matter.
No matter what. Look at that tree in the park. Look at that tree in the park.
It's that time of the year, I guess.
Daddy, look at that tree in the park. Yeah, no matter what, he's going to keep sweeping.
There he goes. It's poor people who live on Llewellyn.
Why do we have to get a
Tidal
sweep
wave.
under our car?
Alright, I think it's best that we turn around and take the scenic route out.